it's the end of October. William, Emma, how did October go here at the always busy ICC?
Always busy is the correct phrase. It went well. I hope. I think it did. We've had good feedback. We've just come off back to back. 3 nights of Sharon Shannon, which was simply incredible. You can't really get better than 3 nights of that. Which has been great.
Sold out nights.
Sold out nights as well. Yeah. So we also had our wonderful collaboration with Roaring Voices
they were
as
amazing.
well. That one was really successful, and we're already in talks about doing something again. And we've had, what else have we had?
We've had a film festival.
We have had
the London Breeze Film Festival.
With some Irish shorts here. They were really great. Really great.
We had Irish people of colour.
We
the
did,
book launch.
Conor
That was
Bryant,
amazing.
Yeah, and he's gone off around the UK now talking as well about his book. So and we're coming to the end of the Entangled Islands exhibition as well. We did.
Anne
Yes,
Fitzgerald.
we did.
Absolutely wonderful book. Yeah. So incredible about the mother and baby's homes. Her whole poetry book is dedicated to that theme, and it's so powerful.
Wonderful little evening.
Move you to tears. Her work. She's so great poet.
Night before that, we had a lecture on Bram Stoker.
Yes, Paul Murray.
Yeah,
Bram Stoker. That was fascinating.
Yeah, we previewed that last month, didn't we?
Absolutely, it was brilliant.
So
it was given by Paul Murray, the former Irish ambassador to London and Korea, who's written a book on Bram Stoker, and is probably one of the leading experts in the world on Bram Stoker.
Yeah, it was great.
Yeah, really good.
So good.
who, of course, was a proud Dubliner.
Yeah.
That is the voice, of course, of Peter Power Hines, by the way, our chairman here at the ICC. Welcome to the show, Peter.
Thank you very much.
We've got November to look forward to.
A lot of music, a lot of music, which is great. Eleanor McAvoy is here.
Brilliant.
She's launching her UK tour with us. The Saturday night is completely
Excellent.
sold out. There are tickets for the Friday. We have Andy Irvine, again, the great trad player.
Woohoo! A great.
We are celebrating the 40 years of the Luke Kelly show, which is great. Yeah. Paddy Keenan of the Bothy Band is here with Dermot Byrne and Tim Eady. And Sean Kane, of course, wraps up for 2 nights at the end of November.
Brilliant
as well.
singer.
Oh, and Breaking Trad, of course, is here, and the Rob Strong Band. And some new music as well.
And also some new music. So we have a band called Imlay coming at the end of this month, on the 28th of November. It's going to be a really exciting gig.
Yeah.
And we've got 2 special guests joining. One is a Dublin rapper called Finch, and another artist called Blanid, who's been on the show here before.
She's brilliant.
So it's going to be an absolutely superb night. They're a real mix of genres, and it's showing really some of the best new bands coming out of Ireland. And I would really recommend everyone gets tickets to that and come and see it.
Extraordinary. Blanid is going to be a major star.
Absolutely.
She's on last month's show. She was in Roaring Voices. She's just extraordinary.
So it's a busy November.
Busy.
There's also our lecture series. So there's a lecture every Wednesday, which I know you're going to be talking and looking at a bit more. So I don't want to spoil that, but yes, there's different lectures happening throughout November as well.
You mentioned lectures that are coming up on Wednesday the 13th. There's one, How Ireland Made Antarctic History, a lecture by author Michael Smith.
Yes.
And then the following week, Tuesday the 19th, we got Forgotten Histories,
Niamh
the
Gallagher.
Irish in the First World War, which is Niamh Gallagher. Peter, you know quite a lot about.
Yeah, I know Niamh. She's a lecturer at Cambridge University. Not only is she an academic, she's also a brilliant Irish musician. But she won't be playing her violin that night. But
we'll get her on one day, I hope.
Yeah, she published her book, Ireland and the Great War, Social and Political History, back in 2020. And she initially launched it at the Irish Embassy in London. But it's a very interesting perspective on the First World War period in Ireland and the Anglo-Irish relationship during that period.
She actually says in the book that, the commemorations of the Great War brought Catholics and Protestants alike out into the streets to remember the war dead. So it was a unifying experience for Ireland at the time, both Ireland North and South. So it's interesting.
And actually, we're going to be talking about one of those stories, the Roger Casement story, in a moment.
We also have a secret lecture here in December, which we haven't put up on the website yet until the details have been confirmed, but it's going to be a free event. But it's going to have front page headlines in the local newspapers when it goes off.
Oh.
But we can't disclose the identity of the person involved yet. Yeah. But it'll be very, very interesting.
Well, that's the perfect moment to ask, how do people keep in touch with everything that's going on here?
Wow, well, you can follow us on all social media now, which is X, Facebook, Instagram, and yes, TikTok. We are on TikTok. Peter has trended multiple times now, which is great. 179,000. It's slay, I say, slay. Or do we have a newsletter, Emma? I think we do, don't we?
We do have a newsletter. You can sign up to that on our website, irishculturecentre.co.uk. Scroll down to the bottom and add your name, and you'll receive a newsletter with all of the details of what's coming up, secret events included, every week. So yeah.